Hey guys, it's Sharkshe and welcome to my channel. So a while ago I had made a video on affordable face makeup brushes and a lot of y'all liked it. This time I'm back with another set of brushes which are kind of similar but better. If you are someone like me, initially was lost because there are so many types of brushes. For such a small face you have so many brushes, what to do with what kind of brush and all of that. If you're confused, because I was in that state not too long ago, I invested in a brush set like this and it really helped me play around, experiment, and that's how I learned my way around makeup. They're also very affordable. Makeup brushes can be really expensive, like especially if you want to buy the entire kit. Investing in these kind of brushes becomes really important. So here with me today I have the Zureni makeup brushes. It comes in a tie pouch like this. The material is very rich and good, and when you open it you have jet black set of 24 brushes right here. And these cover your entire face, and I'm going to be using most of these brushes and creating this look right here only using these brushes which I have here today with me. Stay tuned towards the end of the video because I have a small giveaway surprise for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And without any further ado, let's do this. To moisturize my face, I'm going ahead with the Plum Face Drop Oils. I really like this and I'm just gonna massage them well all over my face. Now moving on to the primer, I'm going to be using the Color Bar Perfecting Primer, paying special attention on those areas where I suffer with the oiliness or open pores. Now starting off with the fun and the main actual part. For foundation, I'm using this brush right here. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Foundation. It's applying really smoothly. Liking the application. It's going ahead very smooth. I am really impressed with the way this brush helped me apply the foundation on my face. I'm directly moving ahead with the highlight, and today I'm taking the Maybelline Age Rewind and highlighting the main points of my face. I'm going to be using the same foundation brush that I used earlier to set this down. I'm using the new Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder. This was sent to me by them and I've never really used it, so this is how it looks. Once you open the sponge, you have the powder area. Using their powder brush right. Oh my god, this feels so good on the face. Putting a little bit of a heavier layer on the main area. From the back, I'm going to be removing this brush right here from my brow. Taking the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade. Brush did a really good job. It's very soft and it takes the right amount of product. Some brushes really take a lot of product in the brush, but this one doesn't do that. This takes just the right amount of product. Now I'm taking the spoolie from the brush set and I'm going to settle all the product on my brows on the right place so it looks even more better and settled. So I'm taking one of the angular brush from their set, using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and taking these two colors as the transition shade. And I'm putting this above my crease while inside I'm going to play with colors. So I want the above area to look settled and balance out the look. Now I'm taking another brush and kind of blending out the harshness. To set the base for the colors, I'm just taking some concealer and creating a base so that the colors show up when I apply them. I'm taking the LA Girl Neons palette and playing around with these two colors right here, which are blue and purple. Taking a tiny flat brush from their range. Now I'm gonna start patting on the bold colors, starting from blue and ending towards the purple and violetish color. And I'm gonna be very patient and apply this slowly because you don't want to mess up when you play with bold colors. The brushes are really helping me put the pigment on the right places and also balancing the amount of pigment and not making it messy. I'm grabbing the same brushes and touching up on the pigment, trying to make them more darker and precise. Taking the plum kajal in the shade brown and applying it only on the outer corners of my lids. Applying the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara onto my eyes. I was gonna go ahead with false lashes, but I kind of like the eyes the way they are. Now I'm taking the Precision brush and taking the next Make Me Beautiful palette. Taking the lightest shade from the palette and applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. That looks nice. I'm gonna do the same under my eyebrows. Taking the contour brush from their collection. Using the Faces Ultime Pro palette. And I'm contouring the usual areas of my face. For the nose, I'm taking an angular brush. I'm taking the blush brush and I'm dipping into the same color from the palette. Now I'm taking the highlight fan brush. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm using the Meher by MAC on my lips. Just gonna take the lip brush from the brush kit and I'm making sure that the lipstick is settled well on my lips. With that, we finished the tutorial, my face makeup tutorial, which is slightly glam, and I love the way this has turned out. I love my eyes, I love my entire face. I wish I had plans and I was going out right now, but sadly I don't have any plans. I'm just gonna stay around at home and get some work done. These brushes are amazing. I really like them. I'm gonna leave a direct link to these brushes down in the description box below and you all can check that out. Coming to the giveaway part, I am going to be giving away this entire brush set to one of you guys out there. Rules for the giveaway are going to be very simple and they're going to be listed down in the description box below, so y'all can go and check that out. These brushes are pretty amazing. Y'all wouldn't want to miss out on that. So do enter on the giveaway and I'll see you all next time. Bye.